I just want to show a little comparison here of how we clean screens. So sunscreens here in Arizona, I'll show you. We have 2 screens on this window. I'll take them both off. So our basic package includes brushing the screen. So what we would do is we take a dry brush, like this one, and then we just go and brush off all the dust that will come off. We're just trying to knock it off. So that's basically a basic screen cleaning. And next I'll show you how we do our deep cleaning. This is our deluxe cleaning. We take the screen off and I apply some product to it. Alright, so then we spray it down. I want to get pretty even coverage. And then do one of 2 ways. Either I use a strip washer or I use a microfiber cloth to wipe it down. So I don't know if that'll do it justice in the light here or in the camera. This one is our basic where we just brush it, and this one is our deluxe. And again, I can't tell how it's going to look in the video, but it makes a big difference, especially if your screens are dirty. So a lot of times they're even dirtier than this. So those are our 2 packages. Hope that makes sense, and either package you might be happy with depending on how bad your screens are. Thanks.